The SE-50 is the newest innovation for airbrushing from TEMPTU. Let's get started on how to use it. If you're using the Airbrush Makeup Starter System or 2.0 compressor, set the compressor on a flat surface. Take one end of the black rubber hose and connect it to the nozzle underneath the dial. Take your airbrush hose connector and attach it to the air valve by screwing it on. Be sure it's firmly attached. Now, slide the rubber hose onto the tail of the hose connector. Be sure the hose completely covers the tail. If you're working with the S1 compressor, TEMPTU air compressor, or any professional airbrush compressor, attach the hose to your compressor, then attach the other end of the hose to the air valve. Remember to use a compressor with a 1/8 inch threaded fitting. Now that the SE-50 is attached, you're ready to start. When applying foundation with the airbrush, you should be using up to 8 to 12 drops of foundation. Drop small amounts of foundation into the cup of the airbrush, remembering that a little goes a long way. For more of a custom color, you may need to mix 2 to 3 in varying proportions. Now move the airbrush about 5 to 6 inches away from the face. Direct the airflow onto the face, and then pull back on the trigger to release the makeup. Keep your airbrush moving in small circular motions. You can use the trigger to control your makeup application. The further you pull back on the trigger, the more makeup will be released. And now you're ready for your next airbrushing gig.